The week this week, it's the Circuit Playground Express. It is a favorite among educators and people picking up microcontrollers for the first time. It has the ATSAM D21 Cortex-M0 processor on it, so it is plenty fast to run Arduino, to run CircuitPython, and to run make code. It has 2 megs of SPI flash on it. It's got the 10 neopixel ring running around the outside. It has a motion sensor built on board. There is a temperature sensor, there's a light and color sensor, there's a microphone which will act as a sound sensor, a mini speaker, push button A and B, there's a little slide switch, IR transmitter and receiver on there, 7 capacitive touch pads around the edges, 8 analog inputs, PWM outputs. 1 is a true analog output, so you can connect it up to a small amplifier and speaker circuit. There's also a JST connector that you can hook up battery packs. The Circuit Playground Express.